first was about to play against Tendulkar. That's another good story, I'm going to say. Oh, misfield there. So he'll get this first boundary.
Looked impressive in that first over, and he continues to be probing around that off stump just outside.
Last ball. See again, look at that punch. You can see that his approach is aggressive because of that high back lift, and the way it moves across. Just that initial, the trigger movement of his is to move towards the ball.
Ayush, the batter on strike. Oh, what a shot! What a shot! On the pads, flicks it quite easily. Couple of bouncers for 4. Right, we may be talking a lot about Vaibhav, but keep an eye on this young lad as well. He's a very fine player.
They only got 20 against Pakistan, but in that 20 there were 5 boundaries. So you can imagine that he is somebody who doesn't like to hang around. This was a free gift. And that's what I said. You were asking about how to bowl on this pitch. This is what happens. You miss your mark by a few inches. This is only a few inches towards middle stump. And then because of the natural action in Dakar going towards leg side, it's easy picking for the batsman.
Oh, that's 4. Went hard, slashed at it, and down to the boundary. Yes, that's right. His indication there was a bit of bounce. But what he did well was he really went hard.
Well, that's what I say. If you slash hard. Can't call it a chance because this was... the field was late.
But I feel still that flew. That would have been a miraculous catch had that been taken. Very interesting to look at the slips, how they are placed.
Also created in the same month.
This time, he has the man at third. Well, with the right-hander on strike, now with the left-hander, let's see how the slips place themselves. They're very close to each other. Normally, you would see the slips a little bit wider, but that also could be because this Yamamoto tends to bowl in swingers. And
I was about to say that then he might just go around the stumps, and he has. Because he feels that with that angle, it'll be better to get his line and length right. First time we'll see him bowl against Vaibhav Sooryavanshi.
He's got a slip and a very wide gully with the left-hander on strike from round the wicket. He will look to bowl the outswinger to the left-hander.
Yeah, well bowled.
Yeah, played well. Just checked his shot. And you spoke about how strongly built this young lad is. He's just 13. And if he could pack a punch at this age, Atul, as he grows older and when his bones get stronger, he can be very, very powerful and strong as a batter.
He looks like a body double for Rishabh Pant. You look at him now.
India off to a good start. 22 without loss. Last ball of the over.
Well bowled.
Dot to end the over. 3 overs done. 22 without. Lots of names to look out for. Kato Stafford. Down the ground. That becomes a very easy and a free hit. It was pitched up mid-off, mid-on in the circle. And I'll tell you what, Ayush needed no second invitation for that.
Yeah, for him, I think anything pitched up in his right is a strong zone, hitting zone. And you can see that Kato is trying to swing the ball back in, but nothing much on offer. And he hasn't got the pace, actually. And this time, if he has to bowl and try that line, he has to just pitch it maybe 8 inches further away from Ayush.
They're also not getting anything in the air or off the pitch. Now he decides to go round. Is he round? No, he's still continuing to bowl over the wicket with a very solitary slip. That's close, almost hugging the keeper. Very fine slip. That time going slightly across.
Yeah, 3/4 line will hold you good, but how do you take wickets? If your wickets, the delivery before this last one was at the right angle. If that is, the ball swings a little bit, and that's where the chance of always getting that room between the bat and the ball. But unless you give the ball a lot of, keep it in the air, it gives it more opportunity to swing.
Oh, goes again. This is a little bit too easy for Ayush. He's got two boundaries, very similar strokes, similar lengths. Katu Stafford has looked to bowl full and he's been taken apart by Ayush.
Weren't you surprised when they won the toss and elected to bowl first?
I was very surprised. In fact, we all thought that Japan would want to bat.
Yeah.
But they went the other way, and India now enjoying themselves. And I thought at the toss, the Indian skipper looked delighted that they were batting first.
Yeah, because they, after the last match, they wanted to bat full 50 overs. Again, oh, this is clean. This is over. So the first maximum of the morning from Ayush Matra's bat. And this is an expensive over.
Where he's looking to make batting look very, very easy. That shot was so easy. Look at how he executes it. Well, he did get two boundaries almost in that similar area, and this one a little bit more, an extension. Went all the way for 6. Beautifully timed. Lovely execution.
Well, he's batting on 28 with 5 boundaries and 1 6. So you can imagine 26 runs coming from boundaries and sixes. Run rate is closer to 10 already. Oh,
Bit of aggro there. Well, he must be time to get back at the batter. You've been hitting me around. You scored 14 runs in the over. And a missed time. Look at that.
well, Ayush have just been given a note by our statistician that he has got 206 first-class games already. So you can imagine that this guy, when he bats big.
He's got to be special talent. Again.
Oh.
That's 6 as well. That's even bigger. That's a lovely flourish and finish. 20 runs in that over. India 4. At the moment, he's looking to kind of have a feel of the ball. Just getting into line and just punching it. Well, this is what we did see in that last over from Ayush. Some lovely shots all down the ground. Pitched up between mid-off and mid-on. And then those two lovely sixes, lovely finishers. The flourish was brilliant. Well, he was shaping and then timed it well. Great timing. This will run away, I think. Yes, good effort. But just the teaser it became and then just ran away to the boundary.
This is a good shot, this one. He's just checked drive and he's waited for the ball. It's a decent delivery also. Right in the slot, just outside the off stump. That's in the gallery. But look at the control. Just bring the bat down from top to bottom, keeping everything in control. Good effort, but maximum.
Lovely punch. I did see his knock briefly against Australia in that A-team game. And against those taller, quicker bowlers, those back foot punchers against Australia, under 19, I think. It was just so sumptuous, so nice to watch. And that innings told the world and told you something, that someone special is on display. And this young man is just showing us why he's been thought of so highly. Still a long way to go, as you said, Atul, but the early promise is there.
Save this child from jail or go on a ride with Jay-Z and his Rolls
Big one. Where has that gone?
Oh.
It's gone long enough. It's 6. What a shot that is.
And I think the highest score so far in under 19 has been 363 for 7 wickets versus Qatar. Bangladesh got that score, but I think that is in danger today.
That is in serious danger today, considering looking at the rate these batters are going after. Look at that shot. Took it from outside the off stump. And it's gone the distance. It certainly defies a 13-year-old in terms of strength. That cleared the boundary. That would have been a good 75 yards, 75 to 80 yards or 80 meters.
Probably
What a
lost
shot.
a bit of shape, just the bat turning in his hand, but still managed that.
Still managed that. Great power. The Indian 50s up into the 5th over. This time, not able to get it into the gap, but again you could see that one thing about him is he's really trying to thrash the ball. He's trying to really hit the cover off the leather.
Yeah, and the problem is that he's trying to catch up, and I think this is the wrong way. Because cricket is something which you can't just take for granted. Something, the curveball comes in, and you don't know what, because you can think that you've got everything under control. But last delivery, I think this was not to be played the way he did it. So you can see that the initial instinct is to just go for the big one, and then it's it. And there's plenty of time. Where is the hurry? 5 overs gone, it's 52 for no loss.
Girls, are you ready?
तो तुम सब भी तैयार हो ना?
So single off the first ball.
Yeah, well, because of the carnage we have seen, the spinners have to come in the first 6 overs to bowl. That's an issue also. And the young spinners, when the ball is new and fresh, it's much harder, especially on this pitch. So I feel sympathetic for Charlie Hinds, because at this time, what does he do?
Exactly. And he's an inexperienced young man. He's got mid-off in the circle. He's got a deep mid-wicket and
long on.
And a long on.
Ooh.
And, well, this will be interesting because he is bowling to the left-hander. And Suryavanshi generally loves to take the spinners on, loves to take the bowling on, loves to go over the top.
Oh, that's good, Charlie. That's good, mummy.
At the moment, just looking to drop into a length just outside the off stump. Slower.
Oh.
Very well bowled. Very well bowled. That was bowled slower by Hines.
Well bowled so far, Charlie. It's not easy to just keep a batsman on song quiet on this pitch. Only 2 players outside the circle.
He's done well. Just singles so far in the over, bowling in the power plays.
Wow.
Well, when you look at the last few overs where boundaries were flowing, this has been a very fine over for Japan. Charlie Hines. Last ball of the over.
Oh. Senior. Well, Charlie is
Oh, that's good, Charlie.
not that greenhorn that we might think, because he's played the senior Japanese team as well. Well, end of the 6th over, it's 54 for no loss.
बेफिक्र होकर घूमो, हो सकता है जिंदगी का मकसद मिल जाए। गैरों के साथ बहुत पल बिता लिए, अपनों को छुट्टियों से मिलवाकर तो देखो। जहां भी जाओगे, पर जब लौट के आओगे, सुकून जिंदगी का इसी दरवाजे पर पाओगे। हम हैं गोदरेज लॉक्स, बेजोड़ एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ। घर के अंदर या बाहर, रहो बेफिक्र। गोदरेज लॉक्स।
That's the power of pistachios. American pistachio. My go-to snack.
Just before we were supposed to go to England tour, and we had come here, and then that great game where Aqib Javed took 7 wickets against us. I remember that. That was 34 years ago.
Boundary of the first ball. This is Suryavanshi just getting a delivery on the leg stump and easily putting it away. Yamamoto paying the price for erring